Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leslie and I'm a bagaholic. I review all kinds of bags ranging from Lululemon to Coach to Louis and Hermes. Today I have an unboxing video of a Peter Nitz medium Libby tote in Geneva calf leather. I already have a Libby tote in size small in the Arosa calf, and while it fits my essentials, sometimes if I want to carry just a little bit more, I found myself wishing it were just a little bit bigger. I'm really excited to see the Geneva calf in person, and I'm definitely going to have a comparison video between the two sizes and leathers, so if that's something you would be interested in seeing, please consider subscribing. Okay, so here's the Peter Nitz box with just the logo branding here, very minimalist vibes. Okay, this is my second Peter Nitz unboxing, so I kind of know what to expect. It's really, really amazing packaging here. I kind of love how this looks. Look at this dust bag. Move this out of the way. Okay. This dust bag is one of the nicest dust bags that I've ever had. So undo this. It almost feels like a microfiber, very soft. Uh-oh. Here we go. Okay. It smells amazing already. I can just smell it wafting out. This is the ox blood color, which is actually very, very limited. So I was lucky enough to score one when he had a Instagram live, and he had this as part of the live show. So if you were watching, you had a code, and then you went on the website, and then you were able to get one of these, and there weren't very many. So this oxblood color is gorgeous. It's showing up a little bit more red, I think, but it probably depends on the light. So to me, it kind of looks like a darker, maybe a burgundy, but maybe when the sun is actually coming out, this is a very cloudy day, that it would show more red. But I love the color. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is the medium size. Look at this leather. Very, very soft. I'm actually kind of surprised at how soft it is. This is going to have a very nice slouch. So it has made in Romania here, 2025, with a little dream logo. Love that. Inside is lined with suede. I'm going to take this out. This is the strap, and this also doubles up as a sunglass case. It's like the perfect size. So this is the matching strap, gold hardware, black edge coating. I'll take this out. Okay, so the bottom of the base is hard, and it's also leather. Has the D-rings here. You can attach the leather strap. So this is much bigger than the small, actually. I'm going to bring out the small and show you guys how it looks next to each other. This is the two different leathers here. This is the very smooth size small. This is the pebbled version in the medium. So I'm going to have a full review of this bag, and then I'm also going to do a review between the two bags and see which one I prefer, which leather I prefer, which size I end up preferring as well. So thanks for listening, thanks for watching, take care, see you next time.